Have you noticed a change in the strength and stability of your legs recently? Perhaps getting out of your favorite chair takes a little more effort than it used to. Or maybe each step up the stairs feels like you're lifting a heavy weight. You might feel a little more unsteady on your feet as you walk across the room, even though your mind is sharp and your spirit is strong. If any of that sounds familiar, I want you to know two things. First, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not powerless. There is a gentle, natural way to help your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more stable again. It doesn't involve strenuous exercise or expensive treatments. It comes down to a few simple nutrients that your body might be quietly asking for. In this video, we're going to explore 3 powerful vitamins that can make a profound difference in your leg strength, often in just a matter of days. These aren't fads. They are tried and true nutrients that have helped thousands of seniors, just like you, regain their balance, their confidence, and their independence. So, if you're over 60 and ready to take a gentle step towards stronger legs, stay with me, because today, we're starting that journey together. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And while you're at it, I'd love to know where in the world you're watching from today. It's always a joy to see our wonderful community grow. Now, let's begin with our first, and in many ways, most important vitamin. It's called vitamin D3. And if you're over 60, this humble little nutrient may be doing far more for your legs than you ever realized. You can think of vitamin D3 as the master key that quietly unlocks your body's strength and coordination. It's essential for maintaining strong bones, ensuring healthy muscle function, and supporting the nerve communication throughout your body, especially to your legs. The problem is, as we age, our bodies naturally become less efficient at producing and activating vitamin D3. It's a normal part of the aging process, not your fault. Your skin doesn't make as much from sunlight as it used to, and our modern lives often keep us indoors more. So, your body's supply can start to run low, and the signs are subtle at first. You might notice your legs don't feel as stable. You might have sudden, unexpected leg cramps at night. Or maybe you've had a few minor stumbles, things you brush off, but that leave you feeling a little less confident. These are often quiet red flags that your body is asking for more vitamin D3. In fact, researchers at Harvard University made a startling discovery. Older adults with low vitamin D levels had an almost 40% higher risk of falls. That shows just how powerful and protective this vitamin truly is. But here's the wonderful news. Getting the right amount of vitamin D3 can bring benefits you can often feel quite quickly. In a fascinating UK study, seniors were given a simple, modest daily dose of 800 IU of vitamin D3. In just 5 days, their leg strength increased by nearly 20%. Think about that, a 20% improvement in less than a week. That isn't just impressive, it's transformative. So, how does it work? Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones dense and strong enough to support you. It helps regulate how your muscles contract and release, leading to smoother, more coordinated movements. And importantly, it helps reduce the inflammation that can make legs feel heavy, tight, or sore. For most adults over 60, a daily intake of 800 to 2000 international units, or IUST, is considered both safe and effective. But it's not just about how much you take, it's about how you take it. Vitamin D3 is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means your body needs a little healthy fat to absorb it properly. So, it's best to take your D3 with a meal. This could be breakfast with eggs, or a little full-fat yogurt, or a piece of avocado toast. Even just a drizzle of olive oil on your lunchtime salad can make all the difference. Try to take it earlier in the day, as some people find that taking it late at night can subtly interfere with sleep. If you've been feeling that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, this is a gentle yet powerful place to start. Now, let's turn our attention to our second vitamin. This one is often completely overlooked when it comes to leg health, but it's absolutely crucial if you want your legs to feel steady, coordinated, and energized. I'm talking about vitamin B12. In your body, vitamin B12 acts as a communication specialist. It doesn't directly build muscle or bone, but it supports something just as vital: the electrical wiring between your brain and your muscles. Think of it like the cables running to your television. Without those wires, the signal can't get through clearly. When your body is low on B12, those communication channels can get fuzzy. You might experience a tingling sensation in your feet or toes. Some people describe it as a feeling of being disconnected, as if their legs aren't quite responding the way they used to. You might feel a bit unsteady or sway slightly, even on perfectly flat ground. This is a sign that the connection between your brain and your legs is weaker than it should be. You might be asking, why would I be deficient, especially if I eat a healthy diet? The answer lies in how our bodies change. Around age 60, our stomachs naturally produce less of the acid needed to extract vitamin B12 from food. So, even if you're eating B12-rich foods like meat, eggs, or dairy, your body may struggle to absorb it. Furthermore, common medications like metformin for diabetes or acid blockers for heartburn can make this absorption issue even worse. The good news is that correcting a B12 deficiency is often simple, and the results can be truly life. In numerous studies, seniors taking daily B12 supplements reported significant improvements in balance, coordination, and walking speed, often in just a few weeks. That tingling and numbness starts to fade as the nervous system repairs and For most people, experts recommend a daily dose of 500 to 1000 micrograms. But here's the crucial tip. Look for the right form. You want to find This is the active ready-to-use form of B12 that your body can absorb immediately. It often comes in forms that are perfect for seniors, like sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue, chewables, or sprays. These methods bypass the digestive system and deliver the B12 directly into your bloodstream, which is ideal if your stomach isn't absorbing nutrients as well as it once did. If you've been feeling unsteady or disconnected from your own body, don't just blame it on age. It could be something much simpler. When your brain and your body are communicating clearly again, that sense of detachment is replaced by a profoundly grounded sense of balance. Now, let's talk about our third and final vitamin, one that has a huge impact on how your legs feel, move, and respond every single day. It's vitamin B1, also known as If vitamin D3 is the key that unlocks strength and B12 is the wire that carries the signal, then vitamin B1 is the spark, the tiny burst of energy that actually powers your muscles. The trouble with B1 is that our bodies don't store it for very long, and as we age, we're more likely to run low. Certain common medications, like diuretics for high blood pressure, can flush it from your system, and our bodies are just not as efficient at absorbing B1 as they used to be. What does it feel like to be low on B1? Your legs might feel unusually tired or heavy, even with minimal activity. Some people say it feels like they're walking through molasses. Your legs might feel sore or take a long time to recover after simple tasks. Thiamine is essential for converting the food you eat into pure, clean energy for your muscles. Since your legs contain some of the largest and hardest working muscles in your body, they need a constant supply of B1 to stay energized. Here's where it gets really encouraging. In several clinical studies, older adults who started taking thiamine each morning reported remarkable changes in just 1 week. They felt lighter on their feet, had less soreness when walking, and even felt a renewed sense of vigor in their legs. A gentle daily dose of 50 to 100 milligrams of B1 is very effective for most seniors. It's best to take it with your first meal of the day, especially one that includes whole grains or protein, like oatmeal with nuts or toast with eggs. If your legs have been feeling heavier, slower, or just not quite themselves lately, consider giving vitamin B1 a chance. It's one of those simple, often overlooked solutions that can bring surprising relief and restore your sense of confidence and ease. So, there you have it. 3 simple, powerful vitamins to help you start rebuilding your leg strength. Vitamin D3 for your bones, balance, and mobility. Vitamin B12 to reconnect and coordinate, and vitamin B1 to revive and energize your muscles. These aren't miracle cures. They are simply nutrients your body has relied on for decades. Sometimes, as we get older, we just need a little gentle help to bring them back into balance. Here at Heartful Health After 45, we believe it's never too late to feel stronger and walk more steadily. If this video gave you even one useful idea today, I truly hope you'll take a moment to subscribe to our channel so we can continue this journey together. You are not alone, and you are doing a wonderful job of taking care of yourself. Treat your body with kindness. I'll see you in the next video.